Hi friends, welcome to my channel. So to get the regular job notifications, here I started the Telegram as well as the Facebook group. So both the two links I kept in the description box of this video. So the interested candidates may join in that group, guys. And in this video, we are going to see the UGC sponsored 2-week online refresher course. So conducting by the JNTU Hyderabad University, and here the e-certificate is also available. So let us see the details regarding this program. So before going into the main content of this video, myself I am Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator for the electronic science as well as the paper 1. So here the complete course for the UGC NET electronic science as well as the paper 1 MCQ series is going to start. That means electronic science already started and the MCQ series is going to start. So all the interested candidates may take the subscription plan. The link I kept in the description box of this video and the details I kept at the end of this video. To the present content of the video. It is a UGC sponsored 2-week online refresher course on systems and signal processing. So if you are not belongs to this subject, then please share this video to your friends or colleagues who belongs to this subject. And it is organized by the UGC Human Resource Development Center and Jawaharlal Nehru Technological University, Hyderabad. And you may check down here, the system and signal processing is proposed to be organized by the UGC HRDC JNTUH during March 1st 2021 to 16th March 2021 through online, and the major course contents are given here: concept of signals and their analogy with vectors, system classification and analysis, introduction and properties of Fourier series and the transformations, sampling and MATLAB simulation, and the Z transforms and ROC, random variables and random process. So analysis of system response and discrete as well as the fast Fourier transforms and filter designings and realization of structures. So eligibility is the faculty department from the Department of ECE and related disciplines working in universities and the colleges. And the faculty members have to be sponsored by the concerned principal of college or head of the institution for considering the participation in the program. Okay, so you are not allowed to apply alone, guys. So you have to get the sponsorship from your college. And the registration fee is 1,000 rupees to be paid through online payment mode, and e-certificate will be issued to the participants on successful completion of the course. Okay, so here the course coordinator is given, Dr. K. Anita Sheela, Professor and Head, Department of ECE, JNTUH, Hyderabad. And how to apply means here the online application form link is there. Okay, I will provide this PDF link in the description box of this video. So you may check down, guys, on or before 22nd Feb 2021. So if you are having any queries, then you may reach to this provide mail ID. So filling the online registration form is mandatory, guys. And a filled-in form of application duly signed by the faculty members and forwarded by the head of the institution, and sponsorship certificate from the head of the institution should be uploaded in the HRDC portal on or before the last date. And the resource persons and the selection criteria is first come first serve basis, so maximum number of 40 members. The list of selected candidates or the participants will be intimated through email. And the important date, the last date for receipt of application through online is 22nd Feb. And the intimation of selection of the participant through email is 23rd Feb, and the course duration is 2 weeks, 1st March to the 16th March. Course duration is 10 AM to 1:15 PM and 2 to 5:15 PM. And few instructions are also given here. Attendance for all the sessions, completion of activities and assignments and online test given by the resource persons are mandatory. All sessions will be conducted by on WebEx. Link will be provided by a day in advance. Limited seats are available on first come first serve basis. And here the address for all correspondence. Okay, so here Dr. G.K. Vishwanath. So this one is given and you may check down. So if you are having any queries, here the contact number as well as the mail ID is also provided here. So you may contact to this number, guys. Fine. So please utilize this opportunity and subscribe the channel to get the more notifications like this. And the candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam, here one announcement follows. So listen, guys. Hi friends, my name is Ashwini Kumar, an academy educator. So all of you know that Unacademy is India's largest learning platform, and it is providing the very good content to the learners who are preparing for the competitive examinations. And from this video I want to bring you one notice that I'm going to start the 2 new courses for the UGC NET candidates who are preparing for the UGC NET exam in 2021. So the course number 1 is complete course for the NTA UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude. So that it is going to start from November 9th onwards, And coming to the paper 2 is the electronic science. So the complete course for the electronic science is going to start from November 10th onwards. So the interested candidates may take the subscription plan of the Unacademy, that I will show you the different types of subscription plans. But before going to those subscription plans for the paper 1 and as well as to the paper 2, one thing that I want to share you is that if you want to check how the lectures will be, and why, because each and everybody is having some dilemma that before taking the subscription plans, that whatever the content I am going to teach you, so how the content I'm going to give you, so whether you can able to understand or not. So for that purpose, I will provide my Unacademy profile link in the description box of this video, guys. So if you click on that one, then you will be directed to this web page. So here, if you scroll down, you can check the special classes. So special classes means these are the completely free classes. So every month I'm going to take the free classes to the candidates. So if you click on this see all, then all my special classes that you can check down here, right? So if you click on these classes, then whatever the video classes I took at that date and time, so those videos will play. So with the help of these videos, you can decide that how I am going to deliver the content of the concepts and each and everything. So based upon that one, you may take the subscription plans, guys. Okay. And if you want to check that how I am going to teach the UGC NET paper 1, that is teaching and research aptitude, so it is my official YouTube channel link for the paper 1 that you can check down. I will provide this link also in the description box of this video. So here I did the complete unit 1, that is the teaching aptitude here by taking the total 6 parts. So it will be acts like the reference to you that how I am going to teach you, whether you can able to understand or not. So by looking all this content, that means the electronic science from the Unacademy app and from the YouTube channel, you can guess that how I am going to teach the paper 1. So by looking all these things, you can decide whether to take the subscription plan and whether I am going to explain as per your understanding levels or not.